Well, howdy there pluckers, Arbor Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had for a lesson on a song called Talk of the Town by Jack Johnson. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Jack Johnson. So without any more to do, I'm going to go through all the parts of the song you need to play it. Okay, now break it down and show you how I did it, and you'll be good to go. Singing as usual for reference only. Okay, so here we go. I wanna be where the talk of the town is about the last night when the sun went down. Yeah, and the trees all dance and the wind blows, you can see all the sound. And the water below gives the gift to the sky, and the clouds keep back every time it cries. It makes the grass green beneath my toes, and the sun I've been dreaming of, cause it seemed they might put it all together. Maybe it's strange as it seems. And the trouble I find is the trouble finds me. It's part of my mind, every bit's just a dream. The feeling I get when I look and I see is that words that feel so high. Find all the peace and I put it all together. And then I rearrange it. Okay, so basically that's it. Okay, and then it just repeats another couple of verses and a chorus. So you've got all the bits there. Okay. Apologies for the singing. It's not really my key, I don't think, somehow. Anyway, let's get to it. So it's basically A minor seventh. So I'm doing the simple version. Obviously, you could play it with bar chords, but I think for most people that's watching this, it's probably just as good to play it in open chords. Okay, so A minor seventh, so it's an A minor with an open third string. Okay, G string open, to a D, to a G, and then a rundown on C. So it's C, and then lower the bass note down to the second fret. Okay, run down on C, back to the A minor seventh. Okay, so it's A minor, I'll do it slowly. Look at that. And then back to the A minor seventh again. Okay, it just goes round and round that sequence. Okay, so I did two for the intro. And then I stopped on the C the second time, right? I wanna be where the, and then on talk you come in on the A minor seventh and start the sequence off. Talk of the town about last night when the sun went down. Yeah, and the trees all dance and the warm blow and the same old sound. And the water below gives this gift to the sky, and the clouds keep every time I cry, and make the grass grow green beneath my toes, and the sun comes out. I paint a picture all about the colours I'm dreaming of, as I do sing that. Right, so that bit, when it gets to that chorus bit, it's the colours bit. Okay, colours I've been dreaming of. So you're coming out of the verse, the pre-chorus, where it's on the water below gives the gift to the sky, and the clouds clouds keep back every time I cry. Make the grass grow green beneath my toes. As the sun comes out, I paint a picture all about the colours. A minor 7th, colours I've been dreaming of. D, hours just don't see me enough. Back to the A minor 7th. Put it all together. D, maybe it's as strange as it. G, C, progression. Back to verse 2 now, and the trouble finds me. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go through the second verse, or they call it the pre-chorus, but I think it's like a second verse. The water below gives a gift to the sky. I'll do that bit going into the chorus and then into the next verse. Okay, so you'll see how it fits together. So, and the water below gives a gift to the sky, and the clouds keep back every time I cry. The masterful green and bleed my toes, and the sun comes out. I paint a picture all the colours I've been dreaming of. The hours just don't seem enough. Put it all together, maybe it's as strange as it seems. C, progression, next verse. I'm trouble, I'm proud, as the trouble finds me. It's a part of mine, this begins with a dream, and the feeling I get when I look and I see that this world's a puzzle. I find all the pieces and I put all together. To D, then I'll arrange it. Back to the A minor 7th, I follow with D, always be as strange as G, C minor, 3rd fret bar chord, minor shape, or just simple C minor, just to play the 3rd top E string, 3rd fret, 4th fret on the 2nd string, and then 5th fret on the 4th and 3rd strings. Or the B or the C minor bar chord, or just a simple C minor. Okay? So that bit, that's verse 2, and the trouble I find is like trouble finds me. Part of my mind, it begins with a dream, and A minor 7th feeling when I get D, when I look and I see that this G, love is a puzzle. C, find all the pieces. This is like the pre-chorus, the chorus again, and always. Be as strange as it's sorry, find all the pieces that I put all together, and D, then I'll arrange it. I'll A minor 7th, follow it forever. D, always be as strange as it. G, seems. C minor, nobody ever told me not to try. Progression, the sequence again, and the water below gives the gift to the sky. Okay, so you can do into another verse, and then into another one of those, the colours are dreaming of, hours just don't seem enough. Put it all together, maybe it's as strange as I see. Something like that, however you want to finish it. Okay, so that's it. I can't really tell you much more about that. Okay, so it's basically the chord sequence, and then the chorus bit is just A minor to 7th to D twice, G into the next verse, and then the second time we do that chorus, you go from the G to the C, but you don't go down to the A minor, you go to a C minor and stop, and then nobody ever told me not to try, and then we're into the and the water below gives me up to the sky. Okay, you got the idea. Hopefully that'll help you play that song. Thanks very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.